Hello students, welcome. In the previous class we learnt the consumer's budget, the budget line and the derivation of the slope of budget line. Okay, and now it is time to take the next budget set that is very important for your examination. Okay, now let's take the budget set here. Now see the meaning of budget set. Budget set is a collection of all bundles available to a consumer at a prevailing market price and at a given level of income. Okay, what is the budget line there? Here budget line, what it tells us, it is a graphical representation of two commodities which are purchased with a given income and price, right? It is the meaning of what? The budget line. Then what is the budget set here? Budget set is a collection of all the bundles available to a consumer. Okay, here we collect all the bundles which are available to a consumer at a prevailing market price and at a given level of income. Okay, here we collect all the bundles which are available to a consumer at a given price and income. Okay, this is what the budget set. Budget set is also called as opportunity set. Budget set is also called as what here? The opportunity set. Okay, now let's see one example for the budget set. Suppose a consumer has a budget of rupees 20. While talking about the budget line also, I have given the same example here. Okay, that is the consumer has the income of rupees 20 to be spent on two commodities, that is bananas and mangoes. There I taken commodity X and Y, or you may also take commodity banana and mangoes. Both the goods are priced at rupees 5. Okay, means the price of banana is how much? 5, and the price of mango is how much here? 5. The possible options of spending income of rupees 20 are given in the following table. Means whatever the options which are available to a consumer to purchase bananas and mangoes out of his money income, that is rupees 20, and the purchase of the consumer is depend on what? The price of the commodity and the income of the consumer. Now let's see the possible options which are available to a consumer to purchase bananas and mangoes. Here I will give you table that shows you some bundles or the options which are available to a consumer. The first column shows the combination of goods, that is A, B, C, D and E. Means here total 5 combinations are available to a consumer to purchase bananas and mangoes, and the second column of bananas, and the third is of what here? The mangoes. The first combination A, it tells us what? He can purchase no unit of bananas, but he can purchase 4 units of mangoes out of his total money income of how much here? Rupees 20. The second bundle, means the second option is he can purchase 1 unit of banana and 3 units of mangoes. The third option, means the option C, will give you 2 units of bananas and 2 units of mangoes, and combination D is 3 units of bananas and 1 unit of mango. Combination E is 4 units of bananas and there is no unit of mangoes. Okay, these are the options which are available to a consumer to purchase bananas and mangoes out of his money income or out of his budget, that is rupees 20. Okay, now let's see the graph of the budget set here. This graph will explain to you the budget set. Okay, this is just like the budget line, but it tells us what? Here the consumer can prefer to buy those commodities which cost him less or equal to his money income. Okay, Here I will explain the equation here. Let's see the next point here. Quantity of banana is measured along with what here, the horizontal axis, and quantity of banana is measured along with the vertical axis. This is the explanation of the graph. Means here banana is measured on the y axis and mangoes is measured on the x axis. Any point in the diagram represents a bundle of two goods. Yes, any point on the diagram represents what, the bundle of two goods. The budget set consists of all the points on or below the straight line having the equation. Okay, means here the budget set consists of all the points on the budget line or below the budget line consists of what here, that equation. Okay, here this equation is very important here, that is P1 x1 plus P2 x2 is equal to m. Okay, here I will explain you the equation here. Here P means what, the price of the commodities, the price of commodities of mangoes and bananas. Okay, and x represents the quantity of commodities, means in what quantity the consumer is going to purchasing the commodities. Here m means the income of the consumer. Okay, that is rupees 20. Now let's see some important properties of the budget line. The line consists of all the bundles which cost exactly equal to m, that is rupees 20. This line is called what here, the budget line. Means if the points are exactly on the budget line, this is what the budget line. If the bundles which are lie exactly on the budget line, then this line is called the budget line. Okay, the line consists of all the bundles which cost exactly equal to m, means exactly equal to the money income. This line is called the budget line. Now let's see the second property here, points below the budget line. Okay, if the points are below the budget line represents the bundles which cost less than m. It represents what, the bundles cost less than m. M means the money income, that is rupees 20. The third one is points above the budget line. If the points above the budget line represents the bundles which cost more than budget line. Okay, which cost more than m, more than what, if it is lies outside the budget line, it means what, it cost more than his money income, means more than rupees 20. This is all about the budget line, and we saw some important properties of budget line also. Now in next class we will go through the optimal choice of the consumer, that is very important for your examination. Thank you.